I think that through athletics, I'm able to be around like-minded individuals who also have similar beliefs and are strong or even stronger in their religion, and being around girls like that also helped bring out my light and help me shine light on others. The best thing about being a student athlete at Gordon College is definitely the team dynamics. Everyone is always so supportive, and especially as a kinese major, I find that what I'm learning in class always goes hand in hand into what we're doing on the field, and so I just really enjoy the athletics part of it and just the team spirit and the uplifting that I get to experience here. One piece of advice I would give to a student athlete looking at Gordon College is to definitely play out your senior season as hard as you can. Even if you're already committed, honing in those skills and bettering yourself for the collegiate level will definitely make a difference.